said you better clean your plate, but first we say grace. Sometimes life got a rotten taste. Mama said you better clean your plate, but first we say grace. We come before you with praise and thanksgiving, and gaze through the hazy maze that I've lived in, amazed by a ray of light that just slipped in, illuminating ruminations keeping me driven to right. I'm like some old motel and it's because I'm slept on and left on the floor to be cleaned up, but somehow comforting to the lonely, and a cover for lovers no matter how homely. Now in many ways that's Christ-like, so you can't tell me nothing about rocking a mic right, but can you teach me how to walk in a bright light? I stumble and fall like a drunken on fight night, a scribbling idiot that clutches a mic tight, praying for a saying that hip-hop heads might like. Should've been pickier with the beats, Commissioner Gordon, I'm ready to eat. Sometimes life got a nasty taste. Daddy said you better clean your plate, but first we say grace. Sometimes life got a rotten taste. Daddy said you better clean your plate, but first we say grace. And give us this day our daily ration full of passion and born a man Bailey. Entertain thoroughly, visually and verbally, but in hell there's no such thing as hyperbole. So I can say anything and dare to be bold, talk smack on the track like Marion Jones, and lie about it, but I'm endowed with a flowing fountain of living water for moving mountains, so I'ma shout it. It ain't all good, it ain't all punchlines, it's crunch time. I wish y'all would back away from the TV and pick up a book, walk through the slums and get a good look, talk to the bums cause they ain't all crooks. Many tried to relieve pain and they got hooked, and now all they got is the street. Besides that, man, they trying to eat. Sometimes life got a sour taste. The Lord said I'ma clean your plate, but first we say grace. Sometimes life got a rotten taste. The Lord said I'ma clean your plate, but first we say grace. This in remembrance of the body that's broken for your hindrance. Everything you've ever done wrong, he forgives it, and all we have to do is accept that he did this. King of kings, Lord of lords, and of dimwits, and this includes everyone that is listening. He speaks love and compassion, feeds the hungry, and builds you a mansion. Heals the sick and raises the dead. This is not religion, get it through your head. The church ain't a building, it's the people in it. Broken toys that need to be mended, and that's why this track was invented, to bring glory to the Most High Infinite. A calorie is a unit of heat. Here's a couple thousand, I hope you're ready to eat. Sometimes life got a beautiful taste. No problem to finish your plate, but first we say grace.